Ahmad Rashad, please come out. All right, man. Let's see you. All right. Come on. All right, Ahmad. So stand, kind of put your hands down this way a little bit. Right?
Is any of this going to hurt?
No, no. All right, so this should come up. All right. So now I'm going to walk around you and just scan your body, right?
Yep.
All right. That's an interesting shirt you wore today. Is that the one you're going to wear all morning? Is that?
We're in Utah. The Jazz wear purple.
You used to wear a suit.
So did the Vikings.
All right. This is almost over. All right. Hang in there. I got to step back just to get your full body. All right. Snap. I'm almost done. Almost done. You're up. People see you on the screen. Don't be so nervous.
I'm nervous about you taking a step backwards. That'll be the end of it.
All right. Smile for a second. Yeah. All right. Got it. All right. 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 All right.
Painless.
All right. I got it. All right. So now, come over here. Let's look at this screen. So now we're going to go back just so you can see this. Go back into that mode now if we're out in the app. And now the menu is going to come back up. And so look, we've inserted you in the avatar selection. And then see where the red that's going, you could choose different players.
Yeah.
So then we're going to pick Horton Tucker. And then where Horton Tucker is, so this will be in a live game, you will be inserted into the game. You'll be making all the same movements he was, but it'll look like it's your body.
Does he have my skills?
We'll see.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, so go ahead and roll that. There's that shirt.
Yeah. That's when I'm done. That's when I'm done.
Where'd you get the idea to stick your tongue out like that?
Yeah, somebody copied me, you know.
Looks like you've been lifting. All right, well, that was incredible. So,
wow.
thank you, Ahmad.
Yeah, my gosh.